Sino to? Joy Kimson. Oh, ugly. It's okay. Even we are ugly, still we are alive. Charot. Still I'm eating bread. Hi, Joy. You are so beautiful. You are, what's that? Oh, Joy. Joy, that name girl. Oh, I don't know. There's a boy also named Joy. But thank you for your compliment. I accept I'm ugly, but I don't care. The important, I'm alive. I have a good health. The important. If you are beautiful and your attitude is not good, no. Happy Paida. You tell me I'm ugly. It's okay. I accept because I'm ugly. But, kaluka tong si Joy. Or maybe you are so ugly than me. Charot! Seem like me, I don't have ape in her. Oh, so what? So what if I'm ugly?